Finding the perfect note-taking app, let's compare Goodnotes, Notability, Freenotes, and Kilonotes to find the best fit for you. Goodnotes boasts a clean interface, tons of paper templates, and customizable pens. Step 1. Explore the toolbar. Step 2. Click the pen icon and select the thickness and color. Step 3. Change paper styles and settings. Notability excels with synced audio recording. Record lectures, take notes, and tap on the notes to jump to the audio at that moment. Step 1. Tap the microphone to start recording. Step 2. Take notes. Step 3. Tap the microphone to stop. Freenotes is a free, open-source option with great drawing capabilities and an easy interface. Step 1. Download and install. Step 2. Create a new notebook and explore tools. Step 3. Experiment with colors and textures. Kilonotes shines with advanced organization, like nested folders and custom tags. Step 1. Create a notebook. Step 2. Add tags. Step 3. Create folders to organize by tag and folder. Price matters. Goodnotes and Notability are usually one-time purchases. Kilonotes has a free plan with limited access. Freenotes is completely free. The best app depends on your needs. If you need smooth handwriting, use Goodnotes or Notability. Freenotes is easy to use. For organization, use Kilonotes. Try them out.